You should be wearing sunscreen every single day. And it's really hard to find the perfect sunscreen for you, but luckily Sephora has a favorites kit where you can try out all these sunscreens and find which one works best for your skin. This is such a great mineral sunscreen, especially as a base layer before you do makeup. It will not pill, roll, or anything. It's such a good one. I love this one since it also has squalane in it, and you can even skip your moisturizer and just use this as a 2-in-1. Unseen is an iconic sunscreen. This is a great one if you want a matte finish. This is a full size, and if you have sensitive skin, you're gonna wanna try this. And also, we love a pump. I didn't realize this is a sunscreen. I'm kind of freaking out. If you love the Ultra Facial Moisturizer from Kiehl's, which pretty much everybody does, they have a sunscreen version. So SPF 45. This is so light and so nice. I love this brand, SPF 45, and it has a gorgeous glowy finish. It has vitamin C in it, so you can get a double dip with your sun protection. This is an SPF 50, and it has niacinamide in it. We love a sunscreen that also has skin-loving ingredients. As we know, this is a TikTok favorite. If you've been dying to try this one, it comes in the kit. This is great for dry skin, and it has a cream to water formula. This is an all physical sunscreen, and it has a really nice light texture. This is one of my favorite affordable sunscreens. It's under $16 for the full size, and it's one of the best. This St. Jane's sunscreen is great for breakout prone skin, or if you have any texture. This is SPF 33, it has argan oil, and it has a really nice light finish. We all need our vitamin D, and if you've been interested in trying Hum supplements, this comes in the set as well. Now you have no excuses, don't forget your sunscreen.